Good Saturday afternoon. I'm meteorologist Grant Skinner with the News 5 First Alert Storm Team here with a tropical update as Tropical Depression 10 has formed really in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico in between the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. That's something to watch very closely. We'll have an update on that. Also, Hurricane Franklin continues to strengthen. We're also watching Invest 92, and we're expecting a tropical wave off the west coast of Africa in the coming days. First, we'll talk about Tropical Depression 10. This is new as of the 4 p.m. advisory. As of now, it is stationary, maximum winds of 30 miles per hour. And you'll notice a trend with the cone here. It's actually going to stay stationary, not have a lot of movement for the first little bit. You notice there the cone is almost stacked on top of each other as it stays stationary through really early Monday. Then it will start to take a northerly track as we head into the start of this coming week. And as it takes that northerly track, you'll notice the cone is quite wide. There's still some time here to see how this storm develops and see if that cone will change at all. As of now, though, the cone includes anywhere as far west as Destin and Miramar Beach, Florida, and as far east as Tampa, Florida. You'll notice by 1 p.m. Tuesday, it's a Category 1 storm. So again, Category 1 hurricane likely to impact portions of the Panhandle and Big Bend of Florida all the way down through Tampa as we head into possibly very late Tuesday or into early Wednesday. Then it will quickly move off to the northeast and weaken over time as it brings heavy rainfall and more impacts to portions of the southeastern United States. Even if you aren't in the cone, impacts can still be felt, such as heavy rainfall and a higher risk for rip currents and higher surf overall for many portions of the Gulf Coast, especially the eastern Gulf Coast, as we head into the middle of this coming week. Also, check the model guidance here. Now, a lot more consensus that this is likely going to impact portions of Apalachicola, Panama City, that area, and also into the Big Bend as well. Again, this is one model snapshot, so you can't take this as word. Understand that this can change over time, and we'll have those updates, of course, right here on WKRG.com and on our other social media outlets. Hurricane Franklin also tracking this in the central Atlantic. It's now a Category 1 hurricane, 85-mile-per-hour winds as of the 4 p.m. advisory. It's continued to strengthen. The current track still keeps this out into the Atlantic. No impacts to the U.S. expected. Bermuda is where we'll see the main impacts as we head into really Tuesday and into Wednesday. Then we'll quickly weaken as it moves off to the northeast. Also tracking two areas of interest. Right now they have a low chance of development and are very far away, but just something that we're watching over time to see how those develop. Of course, you can get all the tropical updates. We have updated forecast maps, including the cones, on the Hurricane Map Room. That's on WKRG.com. We'll have all the latest updates there. Also, our Tracking the Tropics page will have all the current information for every tropical system. I got meteorologist Grant Skinner, WKRG News 5.